on weather.
Well, I hope that rain stays away for Celebration at the Station, because every year that show at the end, fireworks are awesome, pretty awesome.
And Union Station, yeah, the whole atmosphere of it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm hopeful it will be, but just know that the chances are there off and
Yeah.
on throughout the entire day. And there's no way of pinpointing exactly when it's going to happen.
Right.
For example, right now, a lot of cloudiness, there's no rain out there, and we're expecting the heavier rainfall amounts to be after midnight tonight. If you are heading out this evening, I think it'll be just fine the next couple hours at least, and then the rain chances start to slowly creep in. But jumping ahead to Memorial Day, I mean, overcast skies obviously, but we have that as an impact day because of the chances of rain. And on that day, the chances of rain are actually greater in the morning hours and then start to taper off a little bit by afternoon. But notice the temperature, 55 in the morning, 57 at midday, and by afternoon, the high only 59 degrees with a few spotty showers. So you go from scattered showers to just a few spotty showers at most later in the day. Regardless, take the umbrella with you. Just be prepared for the rain showers off and on in different locations. As of right now, everybody has the cloud cover. Everybody has a temperature-wise in the upper 60s, low 70s. Not too bad out there. 61% relative humidity. Wind speeds about 8 miles an hour. They've been 10 to 15 for most of your day. I like to see all the 70s here, but I mentioned this earlier. You're not going to see temperatures this high in the 70s, at 70s at all until next Wednesday. As that cooler air is going to start to take over for the next several days, starting with tomorrow. But right now, Liberty, enjoy your 72, and Olathe at 71. This is Future Scan for tomorrow morning. So we'll look at Sunday at 7 a.m. and the bulk of the precipitation is going to be mostly I-70 southward and a few lighter showers kind of dotting the map northland, Chillicothe, Atchison, Hiawatha, kind of get the idea. As you get into the afternoon, there's really not a lot of activity until you get to late tomorrow night, as heavier rainfall begins to slowly move in from the southwest to the northeast, and that'll carry into late Sunday night into your early Monday morning. So with that said, let's talk about this one day at a time on the 9-day forecast. And look at the temperatures, by the way. You don't see the 70 again until Wednesday. All right, tomorrow morning, 57 degrees with scattered showers, 62 for the afternoon high. The bulk of the rain will be in the morning hours. And then we're just left over with little spotty showers popping up in different locations with a high of 62. That'll be in the afternoon. But the wind gusts tomorrow are back up there to 25 miles an hour, so kind of breezy out there. On Monday, the high of only 59 with a few scattered showers. We'll start the Monday at 7 o'clock. Look at the more widespread along I-70, this time in the Northland, north of I-70. You'll get some moderate to heavy rainfall at times. This is 9 o'clock on Monday, and it continues to slowly move in the east-northeast direction. Kind of a little cluster there from Trenton, Chillicothe, or to Cameron. It starts to dry out very gradually as we talk about later that evening. Leftover spotty shower on your Tuesday, and then finally a dry day will be Wednesday with a high of 70. Another rain chance on Thursday with 71, but at least the temperatures are cooperating. Getting back to 76 on Friday, and next weekend, how about this? 79 and 81.